Hey, this is Chris Goff, and in this training video, I want to talk about purchasing the property and then fixing it up and selling it at a tip dollar price. We want a qualified buyer to move into this property. Let's get into it. All right, so as I scroll down, you're going to see my purchase price. Again, if you've seen the other videos, $415. We're going to buy it for $285. Now, that purchase price was originally determined in step 4 of every property and running through my all cash offer formula of what we could pay the seller. So I would highly encourage you to do that first if you haven't already done that. The square footage and then the cost per square foot. Now, the repair cost went through the property. It's $48,000. Use a hedge expense of 10%, which is it's nothing more than a buffer of added repair costs, just in case your original analysis was incorrect or your leaky pipes behind the walls, things of that nature that you didn't see originally. Estimated repair period, I'm going to put 2 months on this property. Other costs, monthly holding, you can hit the plus symbol and get more, fine tune these numbers in each category. I was just putting an overall number in here, as well as closing costs. You could do the exact same thing. All right, so property insurance $1,100, property taxes $4,500, and then $200 HOA dues on this property. And then we get down into the financing side of it. Now, in this example, I'm just giving an all cash example, but we do have multiple ways to finance this and analyze these finances, from hard money, private money, one of my favorite, or just a normal loan fixed arm. And when you do select these different items, you're going to fill in those blocks as well. But in this example, just using a cash example. All right, so now let's go look at how we're going to sell this property. So the very first thing, estimated asking price, $415. That's assuming that, hey, somebody just comes in, full price offer. You know as well as I do that usually does not happen. So you can adjust this accordingly. Estimated months to sell. So not only 2 months to fix the property up, I'm also calculating 3 months, just a precautionary on selling it. Any marketing cost, and again, you can expand these down just to kind of fine tune that, as well as selling cost all the way down to the real estate commission. Now you can analyze the analysis here. You can see the numbers, 33,753. Your return on investment, 8.85%, cash on cash. You can then print this, or you can also save this particular analysis so you can come back to and see how you did, and also use it in comparison to maybe some other exit strategies. So thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you all in the next training video.